Da läuft der Wall. Gehen wir da hinten. Der ist das Wall, hä? Alles verschlossen. Aha, da vorne nicht. Ja, schaut mal, es gibt einen Bossfight, ha? Wobei, da drin.
I'm real glad you're here. Would have had a hell of a time opening that gate alone.
Happy to help. Once we open it, though, I am going back to the rover. This dome's exciting, but you have enough company as it is.
Was hab ich? Genug Gesellschaft. Ja, schau her mal, ha? Er kommt auch wieder her. Sprengfalle, 3 Mal, jawohl. Moment, Melvin. Bleib Brauti. Erdbeerbrei den Scheißdreck. Jetzt, geh her da.
In the flesh. Guess some rumors are true after all. Time to take out the trash. Kill them all.
Scheiße, Postfight. Mehr oder weniger. Was sagt er? Oh. 2 Schläge. Ja, das ist aber schnell gegangen, ha?
I'm real glad you're here. Would have had a hell of a
Ja, warte
time
mal,
opening
geh weg da.
Happy to help.
Pass auf, noch mehr plündern. Und dann muss ich mal speichern. Okay, Buben. Gespeichert. Deckung. Er schießt wieder. Blöde Sau. Diese Rambo sind wir. Wahnsinnig, ha? Wer ist der Obermacker? Der Große? Nein, der andere. Schön, jeder. Der ist so leicht. Moment. Eine Falle. Jawohl. Und alle K.O. Ja, die fix. Ja, genauso. Leute, ich fall mich um. Ja, das war der Kollege. Alter Weine. Au. Dem haben wir aufs Hirn. Was ist? Ja, da haben wir sagen, Elemente ist fort, oder? Der Holzkopf. Der geht nicht da. Er wollte mir ha?
Now there's one giant asshole. There's one thing for abundance I don't miss. It's rats like him.
Let's go.
Bleibt nicht da, ha? Hey, du warte mal. Kadettenhandschuhe. Ja, da geht nichts, oder? Moment. Was sagt er? Aufheben.
This tablet's obviously ancient, but the text's undecipherable. This'll make for one hell of a translation job. Great Master Ian's the only one who could have read it. Maybe Dandolo's heard of another Technomancer who could, though.
Geh zurück zum Rover. Das war schon, hä? Ja gut. War nicht dramatisch. Außer es kommt noch was, hä? Ich schaut's mal nicht. Handschuhe der ersten Siedler. Da schau her. Stufe 3 kann ich nicht. Ja, sag mal, Amelia, geh weg da. Bitte nicht Lotz da. Ja, und da? Nix. Gut, gehen wir halt. Besonders fest am Abstamm gibt's nicht, gell? Was seht ihr? Ja gut. Die faulen schon zusammen, gell? Ja, schaut aus, kämpft es, hä? Wir müssen zurück nach Noctis.
Still can't believe Alan was here.
Talk about climbing the corporate ladder, right? That fucker's now the alpha technomancer of abundance.
How can he vouch for Victor, the man who caused the death of our great master? I knew Alan was ambitious, but to that extent?
There will always be men who will sell out for phony rewards. Give him a medal, a pompous title, and he'll ask you where and when to turn in his mother. This infection of uncurbed greed happens even among mutants. Just look around. You've seen the pen. Some of the Guardians are mutants themselves. And they can be the harshest of them all. Disciplining for the sake of breaking in their batons.
You taught your rival a lesson. Now we should know better than to run after you.
If I know Alan, it'll only get worse.
At least we found some information, even if we can't read it. How's your ancient hieroglyphics, Zach?
No, I can't. Nobody I know can, except Great Master Ian. It's a coded language that's nearly impossible to learn.
Dandolo will find you a translator. Let's hope it's worth it, and not something boring like a soup recipe.
We should be relieved we saved the tablet. I can't imagine what the traitor would have done if he got his hands on it.
Even if he couldn't read it himself.
Ja. Was sagt er? Untersuche Scotts Verschwinden. Scott ist fort. Tatsächlich. Schau schon her. Händler, kennen Sie ihn aus?
Hey, Dandolo sent me.
You're the Mancer, right? He told me about you. I've already started talking about the routes I'll take in the future. If there's a spy, he'll hear about it soon enough.
Good. Then if you're ready, I'm gonna hide in your merchandise.
Get in my sand cell and hide among the cargo. You should be safe there.
Verstecke dich im Sandsegler. Ach so. Den machen wir später. Jetzt möchte ich erst einmal zu Dandolo. Und der Elemenser lebt noch, hä? So wie ich das mitgekriegt hab. Den habe ich gerade eine Lektion erteilt. Aber wenn er möchte, dann kriegt er noch eine zweite. Dandolo. Pass auf.
Good morning, Zachariah. Our brothers are still at their stakeout, but if you need any help, just let me know.
Ach so, das war was anderes. Die Mutter, du Prinz Dandolo. Der feine Herr ist omat. Da ist er.
Zachariah, what can I do for you?
Informationen über Scotts Sohn. Zudem brauche ich einen Übersetzer.
They found some ancient documents. Looks like they date back to the settlers, but they're written in a language I can't read.
And I thought you Technomancers were so well versed in our old dialects.
Maybe in Aurora. In Abundance, we're soldiers first and last. We learned some colonial knowledge during training, but the languages are barely taught. The Great Master was the only one who had that kind of knowledge.
So now you need a Technomancer from Aurora to translate. I might know of someone, a renegade of sorts who left Shadowlair to become a hermit. Word was, though, your former comrades captured him. If he managed to hide what he was, he's probably a captive in one of their forced labor camps.
And getting to him won't be easy.
Exactly. But if you want your document translated, you might just have to find a way.
Begib dich ins Umerziehungslager. Wow, sowas gibt's auch.
Trying to find out what happened to a young mutating man back in Ophir a few years ago. He got arrested then. After that, no one seems to know anything. You know anyone who could help me out?
Ophir's administration knows all, Zachariah. Any citizen, any story you're looking for can be found packed in nice little boxes in their archives. Problem is, those archives aren't really open to the public. Might be able to find a way to sneak in, but might be easier to ask an old mutant from Abundance first. You never know.
Thanks for the thought. Not a bad idea.
Finde das Archiv von O4. Aber wie schaut denn aus mit dem Verschwinden, ha?
I'm looking for my friend Scott. He just disappeared. Any idea where he could have gone?
Can't say that I have. He's not at the caravansary, though. If you want, I can check with my informants. Might have joined the caravan that just left, though. Your pal looked like he was missing Ophir, honestly. Then again, maybe he was kidnapped. Never can tell.
Just let me know if you hear anything. I need to find him. Thanks for the help.
My pleasure, as always.
Ja gut, beehren Sie uns bald wieder. Okay, Leute. Jetzt werde ich mal... Was haben wir denn da? Das Umerziehungslager. Die getarnten Agenten. Pass auf, das haben wir. Der schwarze Maulwurf, ja gut. Die Windturbineteile, die fehlen mir auch noch. Der Sandsiegler. Ja, der muss sagen, jetzt gehen wir da hin, oder? Wir verstecken uns. Es könnte ja sein, dass wir dann aufsteigen. Ich glaube, im Moment sind wir bei Stufe 26, oder? Oder täusche ich mich? Was habe ich denn? 26, oder? Ich weiß gar nicht. Schelltreff. Jetzt sehen wir schon. Pass auf, der Sandsiegler. Moment. Da sind wir vergeht dran. Wir springen da hinten oben. Ja, gesagt, verstecken. Ja, und wir einfach reinspringen.
I think I know the camp Dandolo mentioned to you. It sounds like their main camp, so I wouldn't be surprised if the man you're looking for is there. And I want to go with you. Have a few things to settle there. This is important to me, Zachariah. What they do to the prisoners there is inhuman. I just want to help as many as I can.
You're not telling me something, are you?
I was a prisoner there once. I can't tell you what they did to me. I'm just asking you. Take me with you.
I get why you'd want to free him, but it also makes me nervous about letting you tag along. If we get there and you let your emotions run away with you, it's my life you're risking too.
You know me better than that. You've seen me keep my cool in the worst situations. Think about it all you want, but I'm the one who knows that camp by heart, remember? It's gonna be more dangerous for you to go in without me.
Die mag mitkommen? Ja, mir ist das wurscht. Pass auf, die hat 266. Was hatten sie? Genauso viel. Ja gut. Das ist eh wurscht. Die kann ich nicht entfernen, warum nicht? Ja gut, geh mit. Wenn's meinst. Aber erst einmal. Komm mal, Lady, hast du eine Rüstung? Eine vernünftige. Oder auf Nisha. Die hat die da. Verteidigung plus 14%. Das geht schon. Gib die weg da. Leichte Jacke eines ASC-Spions. Weg damit. Was tue ich damit? Mantel. Braucht doch keiner, oder? Weg damit. Ja gut. Wir verstecken uns. Aber wo? Er hat gesagt, im Sandsegler. Ah, da drin.